Hey everybody. So, I recently gotten word that Microsoft will be releasing Windows 11 23H2 as an enablement package. And what that means is computers that are running, for example, Windows 11 22H2 can get 23H2 without having to do a full-blown upgrade reinstall of the operating system or upgrade install of the operating system. And one good example of an enablement package update was Windows 10 1903 to Windows 10 1909. Matter of fact, I think I even posted a video about that. If I did, I'll put a card in this video. The cool thing about that was, since there wasn't the requirement to do an upgrade install of your operating system, you didn't run into as many issues. And this was one of the things I absolutely hate about Windows 10 back in the earlier days, is every feature update was essentially upgrade installing your operating system. Many years ago, I used to advise against doing upgrade installations of your operating system because it would mess up settings and sometimes things just simply would not work. And I think that's one of the reasons why I have found that with time, Windows 10 and probably Windows 11 too, things just get so broken. You have more issues with drivers. You'll have issues with instability. You'll have issues where certain programs don't work properly. Matter of fact, since I installed Windows 11 onto the Mid-Tower Deluxe, I actually did a clean installation afterwards because I was having some issues. And of course, after doing a clean install, everything worked perfectly fine. So it's like the whole process of doing upgrade installs every year or sometimes every half year when you're looking at Windows 10 in the past, it's like the less of these we can do, the better. So here's an article from ghacks.net, and I'll put a link in the video description. And basically it reads, Microsoft sheds light on Windows 11 23H2. States is going to be released later this year. I think October is probably when it's going to be released, sometime around then. I'm not going to read this whole article, but again, the link will be in the video description. So the key thing here is it's going to be released as an enablement package. Therefore, Windows users who ran Windows 10 previously may remember these already, as the last update for Windows 10 were all enablement package. So actually after 1909, I think once we got past 2004, they were all basically enablement packages. So what this means, again, as I said, you'll have less issues overall going from feature build to feature build. But with Windows 11 in particular, there is a chance that, let's say, if you install Windows 11 on a computer that does not meet the Microsoft Elite Class Windows System requirements on Windows 11, yes, my nickname for computers that don't meet the Windows 11 system requirements, there's a chance that you may be able to upgrade from Windows 11 22H2 to 23H2 despite your computer not meeting those Elite Class system requirements, which would be a pretty big thing. The thing is, from my discovery, and for around the line, if you're running Windows 11 21H2, you cannot automatically update to 22H2 through Windows Update. You have to manually install it yourself by downloading an ISO image and using Rufus to create your USB installer to bypass the Elite Class checks, and then running an installer to upgrade install the Windows 11 22H2 over Windows 11 21H2. And another reason why I think there's a possibility that you may be able to upgrade from 22H2 to 23H2 despite not meeting the Elite Class requirements is, it wasn't long ago that I figured out that if you're running Windows 11 22H2, you can actually update to Moment 3 despite not meeting the Elite Class system requirements. And I have a video about that, and I'll put a card up here. So yeah, it was interesting to note that I was already able to go from Windows 11 22H2 to Windows 11 22H2 Moment 3, which did update the build number and also brought some new features. So there is a chance, and of course I won't know for sure until Windows 11 23H2 is actually released. Will computers not meeting the Elite Class system requirements or the Windows 11 Windows system requirements, will they be able to upgrade to that through Windows Update, or will they have to manually do it? There is still a chance that you might have to manually do it, but I'll be doing a video later this year around the time Windows 11 23H2 is released. confirming or denying this. So stay tuned for that. And also, I'll be doing a video talking about will Windows 11 21H2 eventually get a free pass to a newer feature build, considering in October this year, 2023, Microsoft will be stopping security updates and support for Windows 11 21H2. So Microsoft's going to have a decision to make for computers not meeting the Elite Class System requirements. Will Microsoft budge and at least allow a pass to install 22H2? At least so that way the computer will receive security updates. Now, of course, Microsoft has said that computers not meeting the Windows 11 system requirements will not receive or may not receive security updates and stuff like that. Now, I have found that when you install Windows 11 on a computer not meeting the Elite Class System requirements, it will actually receive updates and patches and driver updates too, and in some cases even system BIOS updates, as I've seen from comments from viewers. Not a good thing there, but yeah. So, but the limiting factor, it always seemed that you would not get an update to the next feature build. Now, of course, Windows 11 21H2, to my understanding, I think it required you had to basically do a upgrade install. So I just did a Google search, and I was able to pretty much confirm that Windows 11 22H2 was not available as an enablement package. So again, as I mentioned, this could be a dare I call it a bombshell for computers that are not Elite Class certified running Windows 11. Will you be able to get this feature build update since it's going to be an enablement package? Who knows? We shall see. But yeah, so we'll have to see. We'll have to see. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.